My Galaxy Buds Live has finally arrived. We're gonna unbox it today, compare it a little bit with the AirPods here, and we're gonna see how good just the ANC is. So without further ado, let's get into it. Selamat pagi! Good morning everyone, Kenneth here, and sorry for the AirPods being covered in a very cute case like this. But anyway, let's just unbox it right away. The Galaxy Buds Live here. How much was this again? I think like 199 bucks. Oh my goodness, I need to check this out. I'll put it right here later on. It boasts ANC, and one of the things that I'm really excited to find out is actually the design here. I've been very serious about this, and I've been saying it Buds Live. We're calling it Beans from now on. Anyway, so this is it. You always have an extra stuff on the top cover here, and it's basically only the unimportant parts, a quick start guide, so if you miss it, you probably will be fine. So checking out the controls real quick here, it's actually the same thing as Galaxy Buds Plus here, which is understandable. You can check it out right here. You can only customize touch and hold, and I would assume the customization will be the same. So check out my Galaxy Buds Plus review for that. What's different here is this is a half-in-ear earbuds, but it's got a wingtip and it fits differently than any other half-in-ear earbuds, which is basically an AirPods clone if you want to say it. I'm really interested to find out whether it offers anything new to the table here, because usually AirPods don't fit well on my left ear, which I'm going to demo later on. So this is the case itself. I've got the white one because basically all the other colors has been out of stock, but I'm grateful because I bought a white Galaxy Buds Plus as well. So can you see that? Wow, that looks beautiful. You have the same exact feel of both cases here. The LEDs are actually function the same way as the Buds Plus here. So on the front here, you can see the battery indicator. It goes red, yellow, and green according to the battery inside. And the LED inside tells you if the earbuds are charging. If it's full, then it's going to be green. So it's going to tell you what is the status of the last earbuds you put in. The insides here are actually pretty interesting because it's soft to touch matte finish, and the outside is just glossy white, which is, based on my experience with the Buds Plus, is pretty scratch resistant. So yeah, I can bet that this does the same thing too. Okay, we have USB-C at the back, and it should be wireless charging capable at the bottom here, right? Because this is more expensive than a Buds Plus. Can this wirelessly charge? Yes, it does wirelessly charge there. It glows red. Okay, so that's really cool and all. And before we check out the fit of the earbuds, let's finish off the box itself. Okay, the car has passed. And I assume this thing would be the same as the Buds Plus as well. Yeah, it is the same. You have the same very nice quality USB-C cable to Type A, and also we have some extra wingtips here. So there are not much to customize in this thing, but being able to customize it is already a good one, because if you like half-in-ears, you gotta go with one that's designed like an AirPods, and if this design doesn't fit you, you have to attach some kind of wingtip that you have to take on and off whenever you want to use it. So I'm really glad that Samsung does try to bring something different in the industry here. Okay, so I think we're done with the box right now. Let's see and check out how these earbuds. Wow, okay, so this is the wingtips itself. And as you can see here, if you change it to the bigger one, it gets really big with a wingtip there. I think this one is the inner microphone. So it has 3 microphones, 2 on the outside. Oh, this is not a microphone, this is a vent. It helps minimize that air pressure when you're using stuff like this. But my goodness, does this look like a kidney bean, and I feel like I'm holding a small kidney or something. This should be your speaker holes. This is the sensor. I don't think it goes auto play or pause, just like the Buds Plus. It's only there for the ANC, not the ambient sound. I don't think you need ambient sound mode for this. My goodness, this street is busy today. I'm just gonna put it on right now. Been keeping you waiting for so long. That feels weird. Does it fit like that? Or like the wingtips doesn't feel like it's doing anything, so I'm gonna change it to the bigger one. I have a big ear, by the way. Alright, so there you go. I've attached the bigger wingtips. It looks really weird right now, but try it out. Is that how you do it? I guess. I don't know. Can you see it? Am I putting it on correctly? I'll put the normal one on my left ear and no, yeah, this doesn't feel well, so I need to change to the larger ear tips or ear wings or ear hooks or whatever this is called. Yeah, this will still fit, right? Yeah, that still fits, so that's cool. Okay. This feels really different from anything I've ever used before. Let's try a head shake test here because usually my left ear cannot accommodate this kind of earbuds really well. So will it stay? I mean, this is not kind of a head shake test, but it's like a ear hit test or something like that. Wow, that stays in. That stays in. What about the other one? Of course, like I don't have a problem with the right side. But as you can see here, if I use an AirPods or anything that looks like this, which is basically everything. Sorry, I took the wrong side. And this will fall out of my ear. There you go. It falls really, really quickly. And this Galaxy Buds Beans. It does feel loose, but it never falls. So that's really great right there. This might be the first half-in-ear earbuds that I ended up using because it doesn't fall. It does feel loose. It still does feel loose and it's about to fall out, but it does not fall out. Unlike the AirPods, let me try and do a head shake test here. So there you go, AirPods. Actually, it does not fall out if I shake my head, but it only falls out if I hit my ear like that. I'm feeling dizzy right now. Or one other thing with the stem earbuds like this, if you take off your shirt like that, right, that will definitely get stuck. Or anything that you take off, your helmet, your raincoat, whatever. I don't think this will fall because it will just stay flush inside your ear like that. So that is really cool. Okay, so enough talking about the design here. Let me pair it to the phone. The way to put it to pairing mode is to hold it on both sides like this until you hear like some kind of radar noise. Okay, there you go. We have Galaxy Buds live. Okay, so active noise cancellation. Let's turn it on right now and we'll see my reaction to it. Okay. Oh, cool. So the active noise cancellation is more like canceling out your... I cannot hear your footsteps. Try it and walk again. Oh yeah, that one I can definitely hear. But it's like the low rumbles and like the unwanted noises that you don't want is canceled out, and everything that you want is let in. So that is really cool there, and we have a software update ready to install already. So wow, that is very interesting. Why? Because with active noise cancellation earbuds like this, or the headphones even, you have three options, right? Whether it's ANC off, ANC on, which completely blocks out everything, or the third one, which is ambient sound. And this is like kind of the best of that ambient sound mode. Why? Because now you can hear your environment, like whatever you need to hear basically, especially when you're running and stuff like that, without any alteration. Because usually ambient mode on these earbuds or even the Galaxy Buds Plus can sound kind of tinny. And sometimes when the person or the thing that you want to hear is kind of far away, the mic cannot catch it, and you cannot hear anything as a result. But this one, you can hear it naturally, but still blocking the unwanted noises like the low rumbles, for example on an airplane, like this AC that I'm in right now. So that's really cool right there. It's like a new use of active noise cancellation. It doesn't block out everything, but it makes the ambient sound really, really good. This is the best form of ambient sound to date, just to naturally let your outside sound in while blocking out the low rumbles. Anyway, before we close up the video here, I won't do a latency test or a call test in this video because that is reserved for its full review. I'm just gonna, talk a little bit about the ANC here, but let's, take a listen quickly at the sound quality. And also I'm suspecting that the dynamic will sound much better, just like the Buds Plus here, but we'll see. Quite recently I'm listening to this Spark Again by Amer on heavy repeat, so let me just listen to it right now and test a little bit and compare it with the AirPods. See you in a bit. What the? I never had a half-in-ear earbuds be bass heavy like this. I mean, to be honest, I'm not sure about you. Let me know what's your preferred equalizer down in the comments below. But I don't like dynamic EQ on this one because it brings like it's very bassy. Although it still has that nice sound separation and you know the details that you get on the top tier earbuds like this. But the bass response is just so like pumped up, like a lot. I don't know if that's because I used active noise cancellation. Let me try. Actually, yes, that is actually the truth. Activating ANC brings the bass up very significantly compared to ANC off. But yeah, I'll talk more about the sound quality part later on in its full review. And I'm not saying that the AirPods are better. In this specific song, I like the intro better on the AirPods, but moving to the end of the song where every instrument is playing, still kind of crowded on the AirPods here, and on the Buds Plus, it's not as crowded, but very bassy. And I tried the clear and turbo boost, not turbo boost, treble boost here, but it definitely doesn't make it any better. It does help lower the bass down, but no, it's not, I don't like it. So yeah, sound quality, very interesting. Let me know what do you think about the Galaxy Buds Live, especially if you have it down in the comments below. I don't mind the fit. Actually, it fits better than any half-in-ear earbuds I've ever used so far. But the sound quality, a little bit too bassy for my liking. I don't know how many times I've said it already in this video, but anyway, that's pretty much it, I think, for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna end up the video right now. Please look forward to the full review of the Galaxy Buds Live, probably in like 2 weeks or whatever. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll put it somewhere here. And also down below, if you wanna buy any of the earbuds here, please use the affiliate links because it will help me support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Kenneth, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. One thing. No, there is no volume control like with double tap, just like the Buds Plus. So that's bad.